Welcome back, everyone. Today, I wanted to share a story I came across on the Daily Huddle titled Crypto Whale Abruptly Drains Wallet, Moving $615 million in Bitcoin in a single transaction. So keep in mind, at the time of recording this video, the Bitcoin market cap is roughly 600 billion. And when you realize that the person or entity shifted roughly 17,500 Bitcoin worth $615 million USD for a fee of about $3, you begin to realize how insane this is. So essentially, if someone held this amount of Bitcoin and sold it to convert to cash, it would have resulted in a Bitcoin market shift of about 1%. Also, the fact that this transaction could happen with a measly $3 fee really puts into perspective what a joke our current banking system is in regards to the amount of fees that would have been imposed on a regulated currency like USD. Even when compared to apps like Cash App or Venmo, a $3 fee for a $615 million transaction is a ridiculously small percentage to pay. I'll put up the fee just to give you guys an idea of really how small it is. This insane transaction wasn't caught by a human, but rather a monitoring tool known as the Bitcoin block bot. According to the most recent Block Explorer data, the whale relocated the Bitcoin fortune to 3 separate addresses. Now, you might be thinking that this entity was merely trying to protect their wealth by splitting up the piles of Bitcoin they already had, but on further inspection, the way the Bitcoins were split is rather interesting to say the least. One Bitcoin wallet received 360 Bitcoin, a second Bitcoin wallet received 17,113 Bitcoin, and get this, the third wallet received less than 1 Bitcoin. The addresses involved do not have any known ties to the firm that invests or works in the crypto industry. Also, the Bitcoin in question has not been shifted to any known addresses owned by crypto exchanges like BlockFi or Coinbase, where it could be traded or sold on the open market. Almost like these entities are planning to simply hold their Bitcoin, lock it up, and hold it for decades later, but this is only merely a speculation. BitInfoCharts shows that the massive entity who first initiated this transaction created the original wallet only on January 15th, 2021, and received a substantial amount of Bitcoin on the same day. Also bear in mind, at the time of recording this video, Bitcoin is hovering around 32,000 USD for 1 Bitcoin, more or less. So when you think about it like this, on-chain analytics platform WhaleMap shows whales appear to be interested in buying Bitcoin dips at around the 30,000 price level, which makes sense because if you look at Bitcoin, especially on the 1 month chart, you can see it's been basically hovering around that 30,000 level and it keeps getting bought back up. Recently, we had a dip on January 21st where it went actually below 30,000 to 29,000 and some odd. So I think with this sort of data, we can assume that even if Bitcoin does keep trending down a little bit, we should be able to see some buying power that'll prop it back up. And again, this is only speculation. Yeah, guys, thanks for listening. And until next time.